Can someone send me money to my Chime account if they don't have Chime? Ever gotten a cash gift, maybe for your birthday or for helping a friend move, and thought, man, I wish I could just put this straight into my Chime account? Or maybe you're owed money, and the person paying you back is like, I don't use Chime, how can I send you the money? Well, you're not alone. This is a question a lot of people have, especially as more and more of us are turning to digital banking for its convenience. So, let's dive into it. Can someone send you money to Chime if they don't have Chime? Short answer, yes, they can. Long answer, it's a bit more complicated than that. Chime has a feature called Pay Anyone. It's pretty cool because it lets you send money to anyone, even if they don't have a Chime account. All you need is their phone number or email address. Easy peasy, right? But here's the thing, while you can send money to anyone, receiving it is a different story. If the person sending you money doesn't have a Chime account, they'll get a text or email with a link to claim the money. They'll then have to enter their debit card information to get the cash. So, what are the pros and cons of this? Let's break it down. Pros. Convenience. It's super easy to send money to anyone, regardless of their banking setup. No Chime account needed to receive money. Your friend or family member doesn't have to sign up for Chime to get the money. Quick and easy, the process of sending and receiving money is generally pretty fast. Cons. Recipient needs a debit card. To claim the money, the recipient must have a debit card linked to a bank account. Potential delays. There might be some delays in the recipient receiving the money if they don't claim it right away. Limits. There are limits on how much you can send and receive using Pay Anyone. Now, you might be wondering, what if the person doesn't have a debit card? Well, in that case, they're out of luck. They won't be able to claim the money. Other ways to get money into your Chime account. If Pay Anyone isn't an option, there are other ways to get money into your Chime account. Direct deposit. This is probably the most common way. You can set up direct deposit from your employer or other income sources. Cash loads. Some retailers allow you to load cash onto your Chime card. Bank transfers. You can transfer money from another bank account to your Chime account. Important things to remember. Security. Always be careful when sharing personal information, like your phone number or email address. Fees. Some methods of transferring money might have fees associated with them. Processing times. The time it takes for money to reach your Chime account can vary depending on the method used. So, can someone send you money to your Chime account if they don't have Chime? Yes, they can. But it's important to understand how it works and the potential limitations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.